As I began to love myself, I found that anguish and emotional feelings were only signs, warning signs that I was living against my true self. And today, all I call it is authenticity. This beautiful, eye opening quote was quoted by Charlie Chaplin, and I feel it represents my life very well. Hello, everyone. I'm Sangeeta Chauhan, mother to three beautiful souls, wife to a super supportive and loving husband, once an underconfident homemaker turned into super confident life coach. When I introduced this concept called self love, it was surprise for me. I was completely unaware about this term called self love. It was for me. भला मैं अपने आप को भी प्यार कर सकती हूँ क्या? Because my cultural conditioning taught me सबसे पहले दूसरों को रखना, दूसरों के लिए जीना. अगर तुमने अपने आप को आगे रखा, अपने लिए पहले सोचा, you will be called selfish. For me, self-love is selfish. So it's too difficult for me to loving myself. But by following this fundamental principle of human life, I created my transformation journey. And today I'm super confident life coach. But my earlier ignorance for myself, gifted me a disease called eczema, a severe skin condition. I suffered a lot physically and mentally for 6 months because of rashes and infection in it. I was unable to feed my 2 years daughter because my finger got affected. As a 24-year girl, to look beautiful was of course my priority, but my body all over with eczema. I was unable to share my pain with anyone. Physical pain was visible, but what about my mental pain? I couldn't share because I was not, trained or कभी सीखा ही नहीं था, कभी आदत ही नहीं थी कि शेयर करो कि what is going on inside. I took medication for 2.5 years, literally, and come out from the eczema, not 100%, but 85%, I can say. And all I came to know about eczema, according to homeopathic doctors, it's mainly because of suppressed mental stress. And I think they were not wrong. From the childhood, अपने आप को प्रायोरिटी देना मैंने सीखा ही नहीं था, बिकॉज हमेशा हमारी कंडीशनिंग ने यही सिखाया था कि बड़ों का ध्यान रखना, बड़ों का मानना, बड़ों की सुनना, सोसाइटी की सुनना, अगर वो अप्रूव करे तभी आपको कुछ करना है. एंड दैट्स ऑल आई लर्नड. सो मुझे याद ही नहीं है, मेरे को अंदर वो थॉट भी नहीं आता था कि मेरे अंदर कुछ विशेष है, मेरी कोई डिजायर्स है. आई वॉज जस्ट गोइंग विद द फ्लो, following everyone's instructions, and same story went on after marriage too. In fact, it became more harder because the big bahu of the house. मुझे घर की मर्यादा संभालनी थी, मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी, घर के लिए अच्छा देखना था, सोसाइटल एक्सपेक्टेशन मुझे फुलफिल करनी थी, और यही सब चलते हुए probably I got eczema. And after 2.5 years of medication, I decided I will take care of myself. Now no more all these things. But it was not possible with that old sucking mindset. So after coming out from eczema, all I decided to take care of myself. But it was not possible with that old sucking mindset. Life took over again. And this time, I was not only the victim of the situation, my husband was also going through anxiety because of family business disputes. I was handling him, giving him that strength. One side, there was my mother-in-law. She was ill. I had to take care of her mentally as well as physically. My 2 daughters, I had to take care of them also. And yes, societal expectations were always there. And for me, it was enough and enough state. I was unable to handle all this stress and workload. I was under frustration and depression. And I remember one night, I was completely out of control. There was some argument happened with my husband, और मुझे बिल्कुल होश नहीं था मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, what I was doing. And my 2 daughters were watching everything. And I just opened the bathroom. There were 3 naphthalene balls in wash basin. I almost put it in my mouth. Thanks to my husband's presence of mind, he threw it I was 30 minutes, I was in trauma, completely out of this world. Then I realized what I did and what I was supposed to do in front of my two daughters. Because मेरा frustration का बहुत ज़्यादा reason ये था कि मैं अपनी daughters को time नहीं दे रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं उनको अच्छे से बड़ा करना चाहती थी. But all drama I have created in front of my daughters, and that have not given right message to their tender age. Whole night I couldn't sleep, and I decided to come out from that sucking state and frustration. I found, thank God, I found mentors, spiritual mentors. श्री रवि शंकर जी के मैंने कोर्सेज किए. इफ यू नो, पुणे में ऋषि प्रभाकर जी का आश्रम है, मैंने उनके कुछ कोर्सेज किए. एंड संतोष नायर, उनके कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग के भी कोर्सेज किए. बॉम्बे के बहुत बड़े कोच है वो. एंड आई कम आउट फ्रॉम दैट सकिंग स्टेज विद इन 6 months. एंड आई फाउंड न्यू होप इन माई लाइफ. फिर से जीने का मन किया, फिर से आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 35 years of my life. And I started to relive with that situation, but अभी सारी चीजें मेरे लिए बदल गई थी. My son born, I took a few parenting courses that also has changed my mind. And my son upbringing was completely different. He is very confident, independent boy because now I have grown up. और पिछले 4 साल से मैंने लिटरली ट्रेनिंग लेनी स्टार्ट कर दी कोचिज से, इंटरनेशनल और इंडियन कोचिज से, सो दैट आई कैन मेक माई सेल्फ capable enough to help others. Because the way I have changed my life, I have that strong belief that I can help millions of women, because more or less every woman are going through all this kind of state. Maybe not extreme, but they are suffering from lot of emotional trauma. So when COVID hit, my actual life started, where world was seeing that hopeless and impossibilities. I found purpose in my life. I have seen world with new eyes. My life became completely new and I started to help other women during that period. मैंने जितने मेरे कोचेस की हेल्प ली, मेरे मेंटर्स ने मुझे मेरी पोटेंशियल बताया. उन्होंने मुझे रियलाइज करवाया कि मेरा नेवर गिव अप एटीट्यूड है, रेजिलियंस पावर है मुझ में, जिसने मुझे ये सारी मुसीबतों से लड़ने की आज तक ताकत दी है, जिसको मैंने कभी रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया था. और मैंने अपनी वर्थ कभी रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं की थी. नो वन रिकॉग्नाइज माय वर्थ. सो दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट लेसन फॉर मी. 3 lessons I learned from my life story. First, the day you will start to value yourself, world will value you. Because respect starts from you only. If you will not respect yourself, no one is going to give that respect to you. You have to earn that respect by giving yourself that respect. And second thing, when you are emotionally disturbed, when you are emotionally down, your intelligence go down. आप सोचने समझने की पूरी शक्ति घुमा देते हो. So that to bring emotional stability is your first responsibility for yourself. Become emotionally strong. And third thing, when you start to work on yourself, you will be able to handle any tough situation with grace and ease. Life will throw the challenges, but now you are capable enough to deal with all these challenges. When you start to work on yourself, then only this thing is possible. और ये जो मेरी पूरी लाइफ जर्नी है, मेरे मेंटर ने जो मुझे सिखाए हैं टूल्स, आई एम हेल्पिंग अदर्स टू यूज दैट टूल्स ऑल्सो. बट आई वॉन्ट टू गिव यू 3 important tools today. First, express gratitude every day. I started expressing gratitude from the date 25th August 2020 by literally writing. Till today, I'm writing. Why? Because when you express gratitude, you are focusing on positive thing. It will change your negative mindset. So it's very, very important to express gratitude every day. Second thing, do journaling. Why journaling? Especially when you feel low, that time, put your emotions on paper. आपके दिमाग में जो भी थॉट चल रहे हैं उसको पेपर पे लिखिए. आपको पता चलेगा कि why it's happening. और जब आप अपना दिमाग पूरा खाली करते हो, पूरे विचार आपके पेपर पे आ जाते हो, लिटरली यू विल फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट सिचुएशन. अदरवाइज वो दिमाग में ही केओस चलता रहेगा. एंड थर्ड थिंग, affirmations. Someone has just told that use affirmations. There are various type of affirmations, but just start with early in the morning with 3 affirmations. I'm confident, I'm gorgeous, I'm beautiful, I love myself. And that can create history for you. Your life can be changed. I changed my life with this simple 4 affirmations. Nowadays, I'm using affirmations like, mere liye affirmation is like a big tool. Whatever I want to achieve, I just make affirmation for it. So Google it, you will find how to create and how to use it. So these 3 tools definitely you can use. And I want to end this speech with Lala Denia quote. The day she remembered who she is, literally game change. You can change your game. You have that power. You are Yodha, you are warrior. You are enough. Create your blissful life. Be the blissful diva. Thank you.